Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News, where we trade different. Today is November the 16th, 2020, and we are going to give you all the update on Polkadot. Yes, you all can already see from our last video in Polkadot, which was on November the 4th, 2020, we expected the market to go a little bit lower, and it hasn't done it. And we knew that was something that was going in. We knew that was something that could go against our original forecast, and it actually did. Now, before we digest what occurred since then to today's current date, and then update you all on what we expect Polkadot to do in the future, make sure you guys go ahead and continue to support the channel by liking the video, sharing the video, and subscribing here. And make sure you hit that bell notification as well, so you all become notified whenever we upload our content to YouTube. So, like I told you, November the 4th was the last time we did our video for Polkadot, and we played some weakness in our forecast. We expected the trap to lower the value of Polkadot, and as you all can see, it did not occur. Not at all. You guys can actually see here that the trap still maintained our support area, which is right there around $3.90. We knew that was a possibility going into our forecast in November the 4th. Or on November the 4th. We knew that was a possibility, and in actuality, he chose to go that route. So this was incorrect. This particular forecast that we generated on November the 4th was not right. So if we were to get out the market right now in Polkadot, we would be down 11.56% right now. So it goes that way. We missed this one. Let's go ahead and get rid of it, and let's speak on what the trap has in store for Polkadot now, because even though we may have missed that particular forecast, what that means is that, okay, since the trap was not willing to lower the value of Polkadot, he only has two more options, which is continue to trade the market sideways or increase the value. We now know that moving the market lower in Polkadot is not an option right now, because if it was, he would have moved the market lower back in November. Back in the beginning half of November, but he didn't do it. So let us extend out the support area, because now we still know that the trap wants to hold this area for support in or around $4. It's not precise, but it's accurate. We now know that this area is support, and going forward, we recognize that so long as price trades above $4 or $3.90, this market will continue to go sideways and increase in value. That's it. This line is the do or die between where the market is headed. All right. So let's take a look at the market in Polkadot on a 3-day time frame. You guys can see here that generally there's not a biased direction. I'm just simply telling you now that the market in Polkadot does not look to be in a bullish trend. Neither is it in a bearish trend. It is just consolidating right here between $4 and I would say around $4.95, $5, just to give you a nice round figure, is where the restriction area currently lies in Polkadot. There's another restriction area really right here too, that you all can see that the trap has been wanting to break above, but he hasn't been able to do it. That 450 right here, he has had numerous opportunities to break price above $4.50, and the only opportunity that he was successful, well, there's really two, was on this particular 3-day price bar, and then this one, and that was it. Every other price bar that you see on this chart has failed to break price above 450. So that in relation lets us know that 450 is a restriction area as well. So real quick, 5-day price chart. You guys can see right here that weakness came in the last two 5-day price bars. Weakness did appear, which henceforth lets us know that $4.50 is still plaguing the market. It is still plaguing the trap from increasing the value. So we have two battle zones. We have the area to where sellers are appearing, and then we have the area to where buyers are appearing. Sellers are here around $4.50. Buyers are here around $3.90. So what do we expect into the market in Polkadot? Because when you look at the weekly time frame in Polkadot, there is still a huge amount of selling going on around $4.50 to $4.75. It is. Okay. It's a great battle going on between the market participants and the trap. You can see on the last completed 3 weekly price bars, the volatility has been enormous. I mean, the spread on those, well, I would say the week of October 26th and then the week of November 2nd, the spread of those 2 weekly price bars is enormous, and the market is still not moving. So if you had to weigh your options, what would you expect the trap to do considering what he has already laid down? Would you trade this market? Or would you sit the sideline until he gives us an idea as to what direction he wants to go? Because right now he doesn't even know what direction he wants to go for the moment. He is satisfied with trading Polkadot in this range. He's completely satisfied with that. And you can see it again on a 3 weeks price chart. Monthly time frame, again, you can see it here too. So the battle has not been won between the trap, whether he's trying to go movement higher, or the trap, whether he wants to take the market lower. I mean, he has an insurmountable amount of work to do in both directions. He has a huge amount of work to do to break price above 450, and he has a huge amount of work to do to break price below $3.95. That's why the market is just trading sideways, right? But generally, looking at the market, this is going to be my expectations. I'm still going to play some of this strength into the market for Polkadot, but just like on our last video, if the trap cannot break price above $4.50, this forecast will be voided and invalidated. Okay, so I'm giving you all a heads up on that right now. So again, $4.50 is a very important area that we are placing in our mental, because we know that that area can hold back the trap from actually increasing the value of Polkadot. But generally, there is still strength here. It is definitely overweighing the weakness at this particular time, which is why we're going to go ahead and put the prediction and forecast of Polkadot moving higher in price. And that's it. So you guys got any questions or comments, let us know. But as always, this is our thoughts. This is our premise as to what we expect the trap to do going forward. Now it's your turn. I want you all to tell me, what do you see going forward for Polkadot? Do you see the market going higher or lower? Because either way it goes, you need to get in position. So tell us. Leave us your comment as to where the market is headed for Polkadot. And then tell us, where would you bag out at? Where would you take the profit? And that's it. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.